guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Chroma key button on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and actually put it on the second track. Then I'm going to put this video underneath it. So first of all, select the overlay and go to cutout, and go to Chroma key, select color picker and select the green part and adjust the strength. If some of the TV gets taken off, just add in shadow here and adjust the strength just a little bit like that. And here you're just going to adjust the scale of the video so it fits the screen, I guess, of the TV or whatever it is you're taking off. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!